Hi, Julia. Nice to see you today.
Hi, Mark. I am happy to.
How was your week at work?
It was busy, but not too bad.
Did you finish your big project?
Yes, I finished it on Friday.
That is great. Congratulations, Julia.
Thank you. I worked very hard.
Do you want to get coffee now?
Yes, I would like some coffee.
Let's go to the cafe nearby.
Okay, I like that small cafe.
Good morning. 2 coffees, please. Waiter.
Of course. Do you want milk?
Yes, a little milk, no sugar.
Black coffee for me. Thank you.
Okay, I will bring them soon.
This cafe is quiet and nice.
Yes, I come here every week.
Really? Do you come here alone?
Sometimes alone, sometimes with friends.
I understand. The music is soft.
Yes, soft music makes me calm.
Here are your coffees. Enjoy them.
Thank you very much. They look good.
Thanks. This smells really nice.
So, what are your weekend plans?
Today I am free, tomorrow with family.
Will you see your parents tomorrow?
Yes, we will have lunch together.
That sounds good. I like family lunches.
Yes, it is always warm and fun.
After coffee, shall we walk around?
Sure, I want to visit the park.
Perfect. The park is close from here.
Great, we can walk and talk more.
Let's pay and leave the cafe now.
Okay, I have some money ready.
No, I will pay this time.
Thank you. That is very kind.
Look, the park is very green today.
Yes, the flowers are beautiful now.
Children are playing. People are walking.
I like this park very much.
Let's sit on that wooden bench.
Good idea. I want to rest.
Do you often read in the park?
Sometimes when the weather is nice.
What kind of books do you like?
I like novels and short stories.
I prefer history and travel books.
Interesting. Maybe you can recommend one.
Sure, I can send you some titles.
Thanks. I really want to read more.
Are you planning a trip this summer?
Yes, maybe I will go to Spain.
Oh, Spain is very beautiful country.
Have you ever been to Spain?
Yes, once. I visited Barcelona city.
Really? How was Barcelona for you?
It was amazing, full of culture.
That sounds great. I want to go.
What about your work? Is it flexible?
Yes, I can take 1 week off.
That is perfect for a short holiday.
Exactly. I just need cheap tickets.
Sometimes airlines have good discounts online.
Yes, I must check this evening.
Do you want to walk to the bookstore?
Yes, I love visiting bookstores always.
Okay, let's go after the park.
Perfect. Maybe I will buy something.
Look, the bookstore is not far away.
Yes, I see it. Let's go inside.
So many books. I feel excited. Here,
Yes, books about history, art, travel.
I will check the history section first.
I want to see new novels.
Oh, this book is interesting.
Which one? Let me see, please.
This one about world explorers.
Wow, that looks nice and useful.
Did you find any book you like?
Yes, this novel looks easy and fun.
Good choice. You should read it soon.
Yes, I will start tonight at home.
Okay, shall we go now?
Yes, I think it is getting late.
I enjoyed our time together today.
Me too. Thank you for everything.
Let's meet again next weekend maybe.
Sure, just send me a message.
Perfect. Have a nice evening, Julia.
You too, Mark. See you soon.